Maybe you can explain.
Banyakukwatwa baletwa omukooti ahansi y'obukuumi obw'amaani. Kooti yabekulirwe ori omuhwezi wa registrar otayenda kukwatwa aha kamera kandi kuyaba nagamba yashoma emanja ezatibwa aha bantu aba.
Treason, contrary section 223, subsection 1, paragraph A, C, and D of Penal Code. Count 2 is terrorism, contrary to section 6, paragraph 1, subsection 1, paragraph A, and subsection 3, paragraph A. Also charged of alternative count 1, murder contrary to section 171 and 172 of Penal Code. Alternative count number 2, murder contrary to section 171 and 172 of Penal Code.
Oguyagira ngu banyakukwatwa nibagamba ko abatuye nibakorera omu districts ezirimu Kasese, Bundibujo, Bunyangabu, Ntoroko, Kagadi, Kitagwenda kandi aba ngo bakatandika kukora okuruga mu 2024 okwisya kibanza ekyokwezi kwa 11 omwaka ogu ogw'2025.
Between 2024 and 1st November 2025 at diverse places within Kasese, Bundibujo, Bunyangabu, Kabarole, Kagadi, Toroko, and Kitagwenda districts for purposes of influencing the government or intimidating the public or a section of public, and for political or religious or socio-economic aim indiscriminately without due respect.
Honorable Barnabas Tinkasimire ori omunyishenjero owabuyaga omu district ya Kagadi kandi ori omuhorereza owabamwe ombakwatwa abari kuruga omuri Kyaterekera Town Council yagira ngu tiyayikiriza n'ebikoti yakora ari kugira ngu tikiri kwikirizibwa okwohereza abantu aba okubongera yezindi sabiti 3 batakahurire emishango yabo.
48 hours within 48 hours. It does not say beyond 48 hours. So 3 weeks is just too much. For instance, amongst those people who are going to be released today, state has not preferred any charge against them. It has held them incommunicado for 3 weeks.
Abantu 12 nibaruga omwanya gwe abakwasirwe kandi nagira ngu 2 ahari abo nibo bonka abaletwa omishego muramuzi.
An advocate, and I have instructions particularly to represent the people who are coming from my place. And in the circumstances I have mentioned, A60, that is Mohindo Zedekia Timothy, and A66, Muyonjo Eustace. I will be appearing for them in court.
Banyakuteekateekwaho basindikwa omuchome ekya mubuku kandi aba nibijagaruka kurebekaho mu kooti aha 23 by'okwezi kwa 12 omwaka ogu. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Mate Isaac aha bwa Tayari West.